Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today I will show you how to create a professional email signature in Outlook Web, also known as Outlook Online in Office 365. Let's get started. This guide is perfect for beginners, office users, and IT administrators. Step 1. Open Outlook Web. First, open your browser and go to Outlook Web by visiting outlook.office.com and log in with your Office 365 account. Step 2. Open Settings. After login, click on the Settings icon, gear icon, at the top right corner. Step 3. Go to Signature Settings. Now type your signature. For example, your name, job title, company name, phone number, email, website. You can also format text, change font, add links, and even insert your company logo. Step 5. Set automatic signature. Below the signature box, you will see options. Automatically include in new messages. Automatically include in replies and forwards. Make sure to check both if you want auto signature. That's it. Now every email you send from Outlook Web will include your professional signature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials.